Hey guys, do you have a problem with your USB port? Sometimes it connects, sometimes it's not. Sometimes it charges, sometimes it doesn't. Well, you don't have to buy the part. All you have to do is just resolder it. I'm going to show you how. First, you have to disassemble the unit. In this case, a Garmin navigation. There are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it. After removing the screws, all you have to do is just pry it. You can use your nails on your finger. Go around. Just go around. There you go. There you go. Since we'll be working on that one, we have to remove the screws so we can access the other side. To separate these two, you have to click the tab to release the ribbon cable and the power cable for the screen. With this, I think this is the speaker cable. You just have to just pull it. So just remove the screws so we can access the other side. Now, if you're going to take a closer look at it, this is the culprit. See the 4 lead wires or the terminals? It's loose, super loose. Even the ground connection is loose. So that's what we're going to resolder. Using this, you can buy this cheap at home improvement stores like Lowe's for like $5. But I can't do this with one hand, so I'll turn off the camera. If you have this is what you call thermal paste. It helps in addition. We are reflowing it. Reflowing means like there's already an existing lead and we're just melting it. If you have a brush, okay, you can brush it. And just reflow it. I want you to take a closer look. See, they're not touching each other. Just run your soldering iron. You don't need to add lead. It will reflow. This, he just snaps it in. Same with the speaker terminal. Just go snap it in. You're already here. I suggest that you put tape to secure it. With this, you just slide this back in and snap this. There you go. And with the bezel or the top part or the LCD, then just snap it all around.